start.
Let's bounce.
We can make the bubble and live at peace with our heart.
And start on the centre.
I'm so in love with you. I'll be forever.
Backhand return.
That you gave me no reason why you make me work so hard.
See, we're all inclusive here. We've got codgers, dimwits, mobility aids. We've even got a ginge.
I prefer tanning, non-typical.
Oh, I hear you calling. Tin Shu, how lovely to see you.
And you, my dear, but it will take more than songs and gaiety to warm my damp, drafty old hovel, won't it? My big forehead.
She's right there. Talk about being gusty.
Talk about being gusty. You never seen such a windy old derelict.
And the house isn't much better neither.
I'm watching you, urchins.
Oh, baby.
Plimsoll. Platform.
Yeah!
Peep toe. Espadrille.
Sliced return!
Don't you lot start critiquing the script this early on. You have no idea what's coming.
Oh yes they do. They've seen this nonsense a dozen times before. If not,
100.
if not.
Typical.
Pete, Tony, give the idiot a wake-up call. Espadrille! Not him! I meant Plimsoll!
Crossword drive.
Running forehand!
Of the war years, I remember that.
Oh, give it a rest. How many years have they kept you down at school, Plimsoll?
79.
And here's a little extra topping for you.
I said top spin.
Oh, angels of mercy.
Stinging! Backhand!
Oh, that tickle.
Hey, platform. I've got one. What's brown and sticky?
No, go on. Astonish me.
And for the coup de grace.
Buttons, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
A stick. Cinderella got it.
I was thinking of a date. Glazed with syrup. They're quite sticky.
A date. And that scruffy old clobber. What you need is a makeover, love.
Right, that's actually very rude.
Sorry, Cinderella.
It's funny though, isn't it? You being the bootmender's widow and your name being Shu.
What's that, Cinderella?
Shu. Shu.
Get off some scandals.
Wear socks with sandals.
Tell the two Ronnies you're after 4 candles. Buy it or bake it.
Do the whole cake bit.
Flame for each year, if the structure would take it.
Your pile's amazing.
Your flower's self-raising.
Dig out the matches and set it a-blazing. Just stick with tradition.
Hide any suspicion.
Or that which you wish for would come to fruition. It's your birthday, happy birthday, candlelight burns just for you. Close your eyes and make a wish. May all your birthday dreams come true.
Well, I'm really glad they've done their bit. I was feeling quite queasy sending a poor girl in a wheelchair out to collect my firewood.
Well, you can rest easy. It was accomplished almost entirely by the unpaid labour of small children. My part was mostly emotional blackmail. Oh, Peep-toe, be a darling and pick up that stick for me, would you? Before I tip right out of this wheelchair into that puddle, like the useless disabled person I am.
There is actually someone out there sniggering at that.
Good for them. Other crowds have been a bit squeamish, haven't they? Too polite, too politically correct, too well-to-do.
I reckon so.
Not this lot, though. They were straight on it. Good old Luton.
Shame we didn't have a real candle, but I think it's for the best. These old houses are very combustible.
And when you think about it, closing your eyes and slipping into a moment of reverie was actually very responsible, especially in the presence of a naked flame. I hope that ritual never catches on.
Well, thanks for the public safety information briefing. Okay, kids, run along.
Dame Shue hasn't seen you all day.
So you've come to check on me?
Nah, we just came to get away from her for a bit. She's doing my knitting.
And mine.
Oh no, the sash is down from its peg. Now I need to figure out how to hide that too.
Plimsoll might be tall enough to put it back.
Save your breath. He's gone again.
You said he's been dusting. I reckon he took it down.
Father's been dusting.
Did you do all these sketches today?
Yes, I've only just been let out of my room.
That stinks.
I'm back on the cold turnip stew. It probably does stink.
The evidence is obvious. Look at it. Dull, lifeless.
Badly drawn.
They're not that badly drawn.
We're talking about you, love.
You're all washed out.
Pale, wan, peaky, pallid, ashen.
Pasty.
Would you quit it already?
Have it your way. You look radiant.
I'm not even dusty.
Who's Dusty?
Go back to sleep. Well, thank you all so much for visiting. It's been a real pick-me-up.
She can be quite acerbic for a baron's daughter.
Acerbic?
Caustic, ascetic, piquant.
He might have said plain old tart.
She can be quite acerbic for a plain old tart.
You are on thin ice.